Are NCAA academic waiver criteria always strict? Are the criteria for NCAA academic waivers always strict? This question is important for student-athletes who may face challenges in balancing their academic and athletic commitments. Let's break down what you need to know about these waivers. NCAA academic waiver criteria are generally strict, but there is some room for flexibility based on individual circumstances. These waivers exist to help student-athletes who do not meet standard academic progress requirements due to specific situations that justify an exception. At the heart of the NCAA's requirements is the need for student-athletes to maintain progress toward their degree. This means they must keep up with their academic program to graduate within a typical time frame of 5 years of full-time enrollment. To receive a waiver, both the student-athlete and their school must show a reasonable expectation that the student would have met these academic standards if not for their unique circumstances. The NCAA looks at waiver requests with the assumption that the student-athlete and the institution are acting in good faith toward completing their degree. This means while the criteria are firm, they are not absolute barriers. Waivers are evaluated on a case-by-case basis, taking into account the student's academic history and any documented challenges that have affected their progress. Mitigating circumstances can include disabilities that impact education, personal hardships, or other significant factors that have influenced academic performance. The NCAA has clear definitions and guidelines for these situations and requires thorough documentation to support any waiver requests. Recent guidance from the NCAA shows that there is some flexibility in eligibility waivers related to athletic participation. For example, student-athletes who competed at non-NCAA institutions before transferring to NCAA programs may receive extra eligibility. These waivers consider both academic and athletic eligibility but still follow strict overall eligibility rules, such as the 5-year clock for playing for seasons. For student-athletes trying to balance sports and academics, this means that while NCAA academic waiver criteria are not easily granted, they do acknowledge that student-athletes face unique challenges. Institutions and athletes should prepare detailed academic recovery plans and provide strong evidence of their efforts to meet degree requirements. Understanding these criteria can help student-athletes navigate the complexities of maintaining eligibility while managing their academic and athletic responsibilities.